Hey everyone, and welcome into today's What's in the Box. And we're looking at Tamiya's latest new tooling, the McLaren Senna kit. It literally just arrived moments ago. The 124 scale semi-full detail kit. I'm not exactly sure how full the engine detail is, but there is engine detail in there. We were going to find out together. It also includes option for both the European spec as well as US spec. You can build it either or. Let's check it out. And getting started now with the body parts tree. It's going to be a multi-piece body, no one-piece body shell. So here we have, I believe these are going to be the front fenders. It's going to be the rear fenders. Now we have the piece for the front, the bonnet, I guess, call it the rear, part of the rear. And these are going to be for the doors. And now moving on to another parts tree that contains a little bit of everything. It would be parts tree G if you're keeping score at home. First corner, we have what looks like we have brake calipers. So the brakes are going to be multi-piece. That's kind of cool. Kind of missing piece. Now taking a look at parts tree C, which contains the wheels, engine parts, other chassis parts. We'll get started up here with the wheels and brake rotors. The wheels. Take a look at the brake rotors. Looks like they look pretty good for kit brakes. A little bit of detail painting, some wash, and those will look really nice. There's the parts on the other side. So coming down here, these are going to be your choices of exhaust. The exhaust tips, those are going to be either European spec or US spec. That's kind of one of the things that's going to change between the two. And there are the front and rear spindles. On to the engine, part of the engine. The front half or rear half, depending on how it sits. Actually be the front half. Transmissions attached to the block. Looks like there's going to be part of the frame chassis pieces there. And the top half of the engine. Now we're going to take a look at the inner shell for the body. All the body panels will attach to this piece. Kind of neat actually how they've done this. They've created it. Just kind of neat inner shell for the body. And that is going to be part of the rear wing, I believe. Taking a look now at parts tree and D, which has a little bit of everything, a lot of parts, a lot of pieces. I'll start here with the interior tub piece. There you have, looks like seats, or at least one part of the seats maybe. Yeah, looks like the seats are, yeah, the two pieces. They have seat inserts, which are, did you paint them, I believe? Now take a look at parts tree B, which has more various pieces. Looks like interior pieces, suspension pieces, body, chassis pieces, engine pieces, pieces. So up here we have more of the rear wing. Pieces over here. Now turning our attention to the blank sidewall roundy rounds. Fortunately, there are blank sidewalls in this one, no. Fortunately, like I said, they are blank sidewall tires. Parts tree E is up next, and it is the clear parts tree. Now we're going to take a look at the decal sheet and the metal transfers. First, the decal sheet, which is got a couple of choices of gauge clusters and center console screen decals. Metal transfers, mirror faces, some script badging, and that's it. So that, my friends, is going to do it for this look at the latest automotive tooling from Tamiya, the McLaren Senna kit. And the background pamphlet sheet here. Some nice illustrations in there. Kind of cool color illustrations. Looks nice. So I'm not 100% sure if you're going to be able to get the Senna colors, color match paint from James and Scalefinishes. I'm trying to get a color mixed up, Vega Blue, I think it is, for the actual colors. I'm not sure. We might be able to. Should be able to, maybe. Exotic colors can be sometimes hard to get mixed up, but it depends. I have no idea. I'm going to find out. Then I know what color I'm going to be painting mine. Vega Blue. If I can get that color mixed up, obviously. If not, then I'll maybe try one of the oranges, maybe. I don't know. for me. This seems like it needs a wild color. Would fit this car. So, on that note, thank you for watching.